Mr. Diggum, what are you doing behind this bulldozer?
Good morning.
Yeah,
Today's
good morning.
a very special day.
It is.
I've got my cousin, Mr. Tony, visiting from New Jersey.
Hey, boys and girls.
Yeah, Mr. Diggum told me about you. You got a pizza joint.
Yeah, I got a pizza joint. You should come by and try sometime.
Some delicious pizza. Everybody loves pizza.
I like pizza. I love pizza.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I do.
I make the best pizza in the world. Mwah!
Okay. Well, what about this dozer? What are we doing today?
Today, I think we should learn all about the dozer. You want to learn about the dozer with us, Mr. Tony?
Of course, Mr. Stiggums. I'm all about learning about the dozer today.
All right. Well, guys, I'm going to grab the keys. We're going to crank it up. We're going to go meet up with Chris and Aiden today. We're going to learn about the dozer. So we're going to see how this blade pushes dirt.
Excellent.
This blade right here?
Yes, sir.
I like it.
Right?
A lot.
All right, guys, let's go.
Mr. Tony, what's up? You want to take my truck for a drive?
Let's do it.
Let's get muddy.
Let's go get dirty.
Let's work.
Let's work.
All right, boys and girls, let's go for a ride.
Guys, Chris, Aiden, what's going on? What y'all doing today? You want to talk about the bulldozer? Chris, Aiden, back at it. We're here on the job site. What have we got today? What is this?
Bulldozer!
Do you know what it does? Do y'all know what it does?
It pushes dirt.
So let me ask you some questions like what are these parts? And you are always good at knowing what parts are what on these machines. I've got a question. What does it do?
Pushes dirt.
Pushes dirt. Pushes dirt. With?
The blade.
The blade. Are these the tracks?
Yes.
Is this the sprocket?
Yes.
And what drives it forward or backward? Yeah, that's a roller. Is that right there? It's a roller. Okay, what is this in here? The cab? That's the cab, isn't it? Ooh, what is this?
The engine.
The engine. Don't touch it, it'll be hot. Engines are hot, aren't they? When they've been running. What's the teamwork? You got the excavator that scoops the dirt, right? It puts the dirt in the off-road truck, yes?
Yes.
The off-road truck comes to the bulldozer, dumps, right?
Yes.
And then the bulldozer pushes the dirt, yes?
Yes.
Away from that, we're going to see if we can get up in this machine and show you how it works. So, we're here to meet Ray today. Where have you got room for him? Alright guys, have fun. Hey guys, we're coming to you outside the cab and we're talking about what's going on here. You see, we're looking at the screen and this screen shows us what this bulldozer is doing. So the blade articulates and it runs to what I'm pointing at here is the GPS, and the GPS is controlled by the antennas. And the antennas tell the blade what to do. So we push the automatic button and the blade actually goes down. It touches the soil, see it? And then it runs automatically according to GPS. So this joystick here that's in my left hand, this controls the forward and reverse. You push it forward and the machine rolls forward, just like this. So we also have left and right. On the right hand side, this controls the blade. And you can see that the blade moves a bunch of different ways. It can go up and down, side to side, it can pivot, and this is what, between steering on the left side and blade on the right side, is what allows this bulldozer to move dirt.
Let's
work! Everybody's so dirty. Look at all this. Alright, you ready? Crank it up.
Well, hello there. Thank you for learning all about the bulldozer with me and Mr. Tony. Hey. Thank you, Mr. Tony. That was a lot of fun doing all that work in the field with Blakey, Aiden, Christopher, and you. Did you have fun driving my truck, Mr. Tony?
No, I did.
It was pretty good driving until you got stuck.
So we wanted to talk about that.
Well, I thought everybody at home should know bulldozers are really great at pushing dirt and pulling. Show everybody pulling with the truck.
All right. Show the video.
Oh my goodness, we're stuck. Somebody has to pull us out. Pull us out! Pull!
Did you guys see how great the truck pulled Aiden and Christopher? I'd like to say thank you to everyone. See you next time.